idea. Find out in the next exciting chapter of The Case of the Zany Animal Antics.
Be sure to look for the answers to the following questions. What are the basic needs of animals? What are the 3 basic reasons animals migrate? What is different between mitosis and meiosis? Why is it important for a species to have genetic diversity?
You're not going to believe it, but it's all right here. With proper planning and maintenance, you can create your own backyard preserve, or habitat.
That's amazing.
And if you follow their guidelines, you can actually have your backyard officially recognized.
How'd you find out about all this?
I have a friend who deals strictly with agricultural stocks. I gave him a few leads on some farm equipment companies, and he gave me the scoop on backyard habitats.
Cool.
So, is everybody helping out?
All the treehouse detectives are pitching in. Catherine and Bianca are down at NASA Kennedy in Florida, and RJ's at Adventure Camp at Busch Gardens in Tampa.
We certainly have a great team.
Well, we haven't officially heard from RJ yet, but Dr. D's going to talk to him down in Florida.
And of course, NASA is a big resource.
Yes, they are. In fact, Catherine and Bianca are supposed to talk to Mr. Mario Moda there today.
I hope they remember to download their Get Up and Go sheets. You can download your own Get Up and Go sheet at the NASA SCI Files website.
Miss Smith was right. Mr. Mario Moda agreed to meet with us about animals. He is a wildlife biologist working with sea turtles here at NASA Kennedy Space Center. We hope to learn more about basic needs of animals, and if we're lucky, we may find a sea turtle nest on the beach.
Well, an animal's basic needs are pretty simple. They need food, water, shelter, and another mate so they can reproduce.
That sounds simple enough.
But how do you know what kind of food animals need?
Depends on the species, but no matter what kind of animal it is, you gotta make sure you have a healthy food chain. Do you know about the food chain?
We've studied the food chain in school.
It's the process of energy being transferred from one organism to another.
That's right, all living things need food for energy. Producers such as plants, algae, and other organisms convert light energy into sugar molecules that the plant uses for food energy. A portion of this energy is passed on when animals, called consumers, eat the plants.
And then other consumers eat the consumers that ate the plants.
Very good, and then energy stored in the molecules of one organism is transferred to another organism.
Making a food chain.
Plants are at the bottom. Animals such as deer and rabbits are called herbivores, and they eat the plants. The herbivores are then eaten by a carnivore, such as a wolf or lion.
Aren't there some that eat both plants and animals?
Yes, they're called omnivores. In the final stage of the food chain, when an animal or plant dies, they're broken down by bacteria called decomposers. Decomposers turn the remains into materials that can be used by the plants.
Food chains seem simple at first, but they're really complex.
In a habitat, there are many feeding relationships. Some can be very complex, so scientists use a food web to better show these relationships.
A web like a spider's web?
Actually, a spider's web is a good analogy. It is intricately woven and connected just like a food web.
What if something happened to an animal's habitat?
The food web would be disrupted, and it could disrupt the balance of plant and animal populations.
What do you mean?
Let's say a fire destroyed a habitat and removed all the plants. Without plants, then the herbivores would not have food to eat. Without herbivores, then the carnivores would also starve.
The animals will have to move to a new habitat.
It's not always that easy. Some habitats are small or enclosed by human development, such as subdivisions, making it difficult for animals to migrate to a new habitat.
If they can't find a new habitat, won't they die?
They might, and it could even lead to the extinction of some species.
I never realized that everything is so connected.
Yes, it is, and as part of my job here at NASA, I study the sea turtles that live in the estuaries and lagoons to make sure that their habitats aren't disrupted.
Mr. Moda told us all about how sea turtles are endangered and threatened, and how the beaches at NASA Kennedy provide nesting sites for them. By monitoring their population health, age structure, growth reproduction, mortality, and the impact of human activity, NASA can help the species thrive. We didn't get to see any, but Mr. Moda said that to do that, we would have to go out to sea.
I never knew that working as a zookeeper required so much. Feeding, raking, cleaning, more feeding. It's hard work, but it's very rewarding. Of course, I'm looking forward to my break. Hopefully I can take care of a little research for the treehouse detectives when I meet Dr. D today on the Busch Gardens Serengeti plain habitat. Each zebra has a unique set of stripes, which create